Alright, so Singapore, one of the most expensive city in the world. And what's the cost of living like here in Singapore? Let's find out.
What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Remember to hit like and subscribe. Peace out.
Anyway, that was a video intro from my friend Ben. Yeah, he's a nice guy. Anyway, I decided to make this video to share with you guys what we Singaporean or a person living in Singapore spends on a day-to-day basis and a monthly basis, right? Even though we are, titled as one of the most expensive city or the country to live in, I don't think it's really that expensive to live in Singapore. So yeah, let me just go through this video and then share more with you guys. Come work at a cafe and still drink local coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're definitely gonna spend a lot of money if you waste money on this kind of stuff.
Superfood. Come on, it's superfood.
Jen, cost of living is high. Why are you eating this stuff?
Cost of living is high, stress is high, but you gotta enjoy life. Eat as much as you want.
Alright. Just eat carbs, bro. Carbs. Strawberry.
She gave me extra bananas. Don't tell anybody.
Oh no. $6.90 for that. Yeah.
Healthy food. Oh my god. Oh
Cost
my
is
god.
gonna go up if you keep eating that kind of stuff. You can actually have a meal like this for $6.90. So cost of living, right? It's gonna be different from one person to another. I mean, depending on the lifestyle that you have. But I think it's safe to say for me that I will represent like average Singaporean, majority of the Singaporeans here in Singapore, and yeah, I'm one of them. So what's up, man? What do you want? Stop disturbing me. QC, quality control, bro. Quality check. Alright. Log take over. Alright. Off to another meeting after 8 hours of work. Yeah. So the next meeting is actually my side hustle, doing something like photo shoots and let me cross the road. Some photo shoots and some digital marketing for a brand, and then yeah, just finish up with my full-time work, and then this is just a side hustle.
I think now already, because I just announced that we are moving already. So I think the main...
The renovation part we can shoot.
And the worst thing now, okay, last time right, we used to have production, a new model.
They will still have 15% off. 31st July. Yes. 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 Best thing ever. Egg. Hello, hello. Okay, I'm home. Anyway, this is how my day is like for every other day. It's pretty boring. It's just work, 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 work. But yeah, let's just go through the numbers. And I think in this vlog I said, it's not that expensive comparing to your to your lifestyle that you have. But for me, definitely not that expensive, to be honest. So let's say for food, I think I went a little over budget for today, both for lunch and dinner. I think I spent twice the amount that I will usually spend. So usually it's around $6 to $7 per meal. So yeah, $12 to $15 a day, because I don't really eat breakfast at all. I'll go by with some instant coffee or instant tea, and that's pretty much it for my breakfast. And yeah, if you were to add that up for the whole month, I think my budget for food is around $380. And transportation, public transport in Singapore is relatively cheap. Even if I were to go out, a lot of places, I think my transportation fees will not hit above $150. So yeah, that's that. Accommodation, I think for everyone here, currently the market rate, I'm a foreigner here living in Singapore. Market rate, like if you're renting a HDB, it will be around $600 to $800. In my case, let's just say I paid $600 every month. And then yeah, the other thing is just like drinking coffee and getting tattoo, stuff like that, like all the miscellaneous stuff. Sometimes maybe if I feel like cooking, or if I want to have some snacks, which are always overpriced, yeah, it's not that much. But let's just say I spend quite a lot. Maybe I go out on the weekend, go out for a few dates, or just go for movies. I'm gonna put that budget as $500 for me to use throughout the month. If I'm working, I work like 5-6 a day, so I don't really have time to go out. Most of the time when I go out is on like overseas. So yeah, I'd rather spend my money somewhere else where there's much more value for it. The Singapore dollar is strong. So yeah, that's my scenario, my case, my lifestyle that I have. So in total, 300, let me just do quick math. 380, 150 plus 600 plus 500, it will come down to $1,630. And yeah, for me, I think that's like quite balanced, to be honest. And I think average Singaporean earn 2,000 and above. And yeah, I know most of my friends, at least for my age group, 28, 29, for my age group, I think they're still living with their parents or their grandmother or whatsoever, right? And then some of them are with their partner, sharing rooms and stuff like that. So some of them don't really even pay the rent. And yeah, like I said, average salary in Singapore starts from 2002 and above. And I'm pretty sure the numbers are higher. I'm just going with the lowest. And yeah, it's quite comfortable. And in Singapore, it's pretty small, right? There's not much thing that we can do. So yeah, and I believe that the work culture here is very, I wouldn't say tough. The work culture here is a little bit, crazy. You need to really focus on work. Maybe you have a fitness lifestyle and such like other things, but still your work your life revolve around your work, so you'll be spending a lot of time at work. And not to mention, a lot of places do provide meals for the staff. Not just F&B, every other business also starting to provide meals, food for the staff. So yeah, that's where you can save money. I mean, I'm just sharing from my own perspective. Hopefully this give you guys a rough idea of, like, how much I spend. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The rest of the money I save it to travel, save it to buy more camera gears, save it to go to different restaurants, to review them, to give them recommendation, to give you guys recommendation whether you should go or not, and stuff like that. Invest it back on YouTube, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, anyway, this is a very short and sweet and what's that, straightforward vlog. Very, how do I put it, very plain, very raw, I guess. And yeah, very I'm lost of words. It's just out there for you guys to see it. I think, like I said, this is gonna be for a lot of the people, like average Singaporean, because I do have my own community where I know a lot of people. I play football, I have my work community, F&B industry. Everyone I talk to is like that, right? Yeah, some of them will have more bills to pay because they have higher insurance or they have loans and stuff like that. But for average working class people like myself, that is the amount that we'll be looking at, 1,600 to 1,700 on average monthly spend. Yeah, so hope you guys like this video. I don't know why I decided to do this, but yeah, it's kind of fun in a way. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys.